Hi guys, welcome. Today we are going to see how to install the CaseLab's anti-reflective screen protector. It comes with lot of features and it hardly takes only 2 minutes to install this tempered glass. Now first it comes with the seal. If the seal is broken, you cannot return the product unless it is damaged. Now inside the box we have the CaseLab screen protector and then a user guide how to install this tempered glass. Our 6-step installation guide. You can also scan this QR to watch this video, and we also appreciate your feedback. Share your reviews and get ₹100 gift voucher. Now this glass itself comes with all the required tools for the installation. It comes with screen wiper, cleaning kit, inside we have more, then camera lock mold and then the actual tempered glass. Now the step number 1 is to place your device on the mold. You can remove the camera part and set your mobile on the top. Don't worry, mold will be exact same size of your device. Now step number 2, make sure the screen protector is locked in the alignment tool. Give a gentle press. Once this is locked, it's ready to install. You have to peel off the back sticker so that the tempered glass will install. If you have any old screen protector, remove that. Now inside this cleaning kit, we provide you dry microfiber cloth, alcohol pads and then the dust absorption sticker. Clean your screen using all the tools provided. Start with alcohol pad. Use the dry microfiber cloth to wipe off all the wet areas. Finally, use the dust absorption sticker to remove any dust particles. Now just fix your alignment tool on your device screen. It will perfectly lock on your device no matter which model it is. Once it's properly aligned, pull the bottom sticker. Make sure you strongly hold the alignment tool. Once bottom sticker removed, it will take few seconds to install. You can give a gentle press in the middle of the alignment tool so that you can speed up the process. Once done, you can remove this alignment tool. It will be little tight, but don't worry, the tempered glass is already installed. There are few air bubbles. It may happen. Using the screen wiper, push the bubble to edge so that everything will be removed. Once done, you can see how beautiful it is. It is installed within 2 minutes effortlessly. It also comes with lot of features. Let me explain one by one. First, our tempered glass is anti-fingerprint, so you won't notice any fingerprint marks on our screen protector. And next, our screen protector comes with oleophobic and hydrophobic coating. These coatings make the screen protector silky smooth. As you could see how the water travels on our screen protector. It is silky smooth and there is not a single drop of water. And our next feature is the anti-reflective coating. As you could see, our screen protector reduces the reflections and improves the visibility. And our tempered glass is also anti-scratch resistant. As you could clearly see in this demo, we are using a blade to scratch the screen protector. But no matter what it is, our tempered glass is perfectly fine. And also our tempered glass is much stronger than normal one. As you could see, it's lot stronger, but it breaks as it is a glass.